Καλησπέρα από Ελλάδα, welcome from Greece. Είμαστε στο μάθημα νούμερο 24. Today we'll see the subjunctive mood, την υποτακτική στα ελληνικά. In Greek, the subjunctive mood, υποτακτική, is often used to express desires, wishes, possibilities or actions that are not certain to happen. It's frequently used after certain conjunctions or particles such as na or as. It's very important to check the subjunctive, and you have to remember that you have two kinds of subjunctive, the continuous subjunctive and the simple subjunctive, as we say. For example, let's see one example. As fame is a phrase which means let's eat. The verb fame comes from the verb tro, but here you see we're not going to say as trome because it's not correct. The subjunctive is used after specific words to express purpose or intention. For example, θέλω να πάω, I want to go. So you will see here we're going to say θέλω να πάω, I want to go. If you want to say I want to eat, you will say θέλω να φάω, because φάω means that it's one time action. Θέλω να φάω, I want to eat one time, that's all. But if the phrase was like I want to eat all day, okay, all the day I want to eat, it will be όλη τη μέρα θέλω να τρώω. So here we use the continuous form of the verb because όλη τη μέρα means that something will happening continuously. All day I want to eat. Okay, I want to do something continuously. That's the difference between of the simple subjunctive and the continuous subjunctive, and it's very important and it's also very difficult. You will see as you start speaking Greek that at the beginning you will make a lot of mistakes, but don't worry, σιγά σιγά everything will be easier for you. It just need practice. So it also express uncertainty or possibility. Για παράδειγμα, for example, it might rain, μπορεί να βρέξει, it might rain, or a wish or command. For example, as φάει, let him eat. Or here another example can be as πιει, let him drink. Λοιπόν, so the verb following na is not the indicative mood, but in the subjunctive. Λοιπόν, let's see the simple future and the subjunctive. The simple future, απλώς μέλλοντας, in Greek is similar to English, often used to talk about what will happen. However, with subjunctive constructions, it can combine with na to express actions that are intended or expected. For example, in the future, we can say θα γράψω ένα βιβλίο, which means I will write a book, but using subjunctive, it will be θέλω να γράψω ένα βιβλίο, I want to write a book. But here again, if you wanted to say all day I want to write, you will say όλη τη μέρα θέλω να γράφω. So you're going to use γράφω, which is the continuous form of the verb, because όλη τη μέρα means that we will do something continuously. All day I want to write, I want to do something continuously. Θέλω να γράφω. But on the other hand, if you just want to say θέλω να γράψω ένα βιβλίο, means that you will just write one book. Is a one-time action, something that will happen just one time. Okay, θα γράψω ένα βιβλίο. I'm going to write one book. Or θέλω να γράψω ένα βιβλίο. Better. Here the verb γράφω, write in the subjunctive, conveys the possibility or desire rather than certainty. And also the continuous actions in subjunctive. So, λοιπόν, the continuous subjunctive form describes ongoing or habitual actions compared to the simple form which refers to completed actions. Let's see some examples. Για παράδειγμα, for example, if you want to say from now on, I want to eat healthily. You will say, από εδώ και πέρα θέλω να τρώω υγιεινά. As you see here, you use the verb tro, which is the continuous form, because we talk about something that will start happening as a habit. Okay, so from now on, I'm gonna start eating healthily. So that's why we use the verb tro instead of φάω. But on the other hand, if you just want to say I want to eat healthily today, so it will be an one-time action, you will simply say θέλω να φάω υγιεινά σήμερα. It will happen today and that's all. It's not gonna happening as a habit or continuous. So, use continuous actions gives more nuance depending on the context. Let's see one more example. Let's take the verb οδηγάω, which is the continuous form of the present tense. And if you want to say the sentence I want to drive all day today, you will say θέλω να οδηγάω όλη μέρα σήμερα. I want to drive all day today. But if you just want to say I want to drive today, which is an one-time action, you will simply say θέλω να οδηγήσω σήμερα. And this was the subjunctive. Αυτά για σήμερα. That's it for today. Θα τα πούμε σε επόμενο βίντεο. Μέχρι τότε να είστε καλά. Until then, be well. Καλή νύχτα από Ελλάδα. Good night from Greece. Γεια σας.